Rockabye turkey with Uncle Drew. I'm gonna stuff you, then cook you. Happy Thanksgiving. Boom! Turkey garlic butter, soft butter, generous amount of pepper. Right into our butter. Few butter balls. Boom! Center of the cavity. Onion, lemon, rosemary, bay leaves. Loosen the skin, work it. Just don't go all the way to the back. We also don't want that butter to fall out. Garlic butter right here that we've got prepared. Lift up that skin back over. Just start pushing on the side here. Side as well, make sure we're press in. And rub all the way around. Is a little bit of olive oil. Man, ooh, that's big. So we've got a little bit of crispiness on the skin. Just a quick little baste. If we're doing a Gordon Ramsay recipe, we're gonna do it all the way. Bacon. Before that goes back in, and ready to go back in the oven.
In this easy recipe of cranberry sauce, I'm using 1 bag of cranberries. You can use fresh or frozen. About a half a cup of sugar, half a cup of port wine, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. You can also use some fresh orange zest and the juice from 1 orange.
So you can hear these cranberries starting to pop. Exactly what we want. I can smell that nice port wine in there as well. And the cinnamon, all those flavors coming together to make a beautiful cranberry sauce. Look at that. Smelling delicious. Look at that. Fresh cranberry sauce. All right, here it is, everybody. Look at this. Fresh cranberry sauce. Check that out. Thanks to one of my favorite chefs, Emerald Lagasse. For this one, I've added in some nice port wine and cinnamon to give it some added, I call it boom, he calls it bam. Give us a try. It's so hot. It's so hot right now. Bam! That's delicious. Emerald Lagasse, thank you for the recipe, chef. Wow. The basting timer.
I use the Google Home Mini anytime I can to help me with timers. It's like having a personal assistant right there.
Done! Woo! That was a lot of
Now, no matter how hard I try, I cannot make these Greek-style lemon potatoes as good as my dad. I keep watching, trying to learn, but I just can't get it perfect. Maybe if we're fortunate, he's going to pipe in with a nice little comment here on how to improve these roast potatoes.
We've got our potatoes in. Should have a bigger roasting tray. This is lemon water I'm adding back in. Excellent. Good. Season. Pepper. Salt. Oregano. Done. Goes in. Nice. Nice roast lemon potatoes. Okay. A little extra touch at the end. A little bit more lemon. Fresh lemon. And then just back in the oven for a couple of minutes. Oh yeah. Boom! Greek style roast lemon potatoes, salt, pepper, oregano, fresh lemon juice. You've got a great roast potato to go along with your turkey for Thanksgiving or Christmas. Give this easy recipe a try. And please also remember to subscribe to my channel, follow my channel. Look at that bird, and we're basting. Quick baste here. Here is at the 90-minute mark. So this is at the 2.5 hour mark right now of our turkey in the oven. This is at the 3 hour mark. The drumsticks, everything will be based. This easy recipe on how to cook a turkey in the oven. Wish everybody could smell inside my kitchen right now how fantastic this smells. It is absolutely incredible. A shout out here to Gordon Ramsay. Thank you for this recipe.
Be sure to check out the full feature video on how to cook a turkey for this turkey gravy recipe.
Bacon here first. Beautiful. Leaving that nice skin intact. Out here, we've got onions. For the turkey that we did, there's the lemon. He poured this back in. Add back in. Chop. Chop. Excellent. In. Okay, I'm just going to reduce this by half. Again, a Gordon Ramsay recipe, along with how to cook a turkey with this gravy, is just absolutely out of this world right now. Mash everything down so we can extract all of the flavors from everything that's in there. I'm going to taste this again. Oh, that is delicious. Triple boom for Gordon Ramsay. Wow. This smells just delicious as ever. Wow. Boom! Add in another sprig of rosemary. Finish it off with some chopped walnuts.